Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing this Samsung the frame 85 inches 2022 model TV. Let's see what's inside the box and how cool is this TV and whether it will be best for your living room or dining area. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. I will show you the performance, specific feature and plus the installation of this TV. So let's see what's inside the box. So the TV comes with the stand. This is the stand and this is the wall mount which comes with the TV, and this is the one connect box where you connect all the cables, and this is the manual with the power cable and the remote control. So this is the Samsung 85-inch frame now. So this comes with the wall mount, but I doubt whether it will be able to hold this heavy TV on the wall if you have the gyprock and wooden frame. So as the TV is heavy, so my electrician suggests me that it will be better to use the normal frame for bracket for hanging instead of using the frame, because it is just on a one screw, small screw, and the TV is heavy, so it will not be perhaps stable. So this is the one connect box, and all your cables will go behind this box, and one cable will go only to the TV. So there is no messy cables, but only this box, which is a bit heavy, you need to hide it somewhere. So this is the cool remote control. So either you can charge from the bottom. So there is a USB-C charging cable, and the other side it is charged with the normal room light, just like a solar panel. So this is Samsung One Connect box. So all the cable goes behind. So on the top you can see the USB, two USB points, and on the sides is all the cables, which is for the TV or other HDMI ports or any sound bar you can put up. So guys, this is Samsung 2022 85 inches frame TV, which is the latest TV in the market. It adds colors to your living room. So when the TV is off, it is a beautiful artwork. You can select various artwork from the Samsung store. There is a monthly and annual fee, and 62 days initially. There is no charges. You can go for a free trial. And when the TV is on, so it is like a normal TV, but when you turn it off, so it's like a artwork which add colors into your living room or any area. So, and if there is no one in the room, then there is a sensor, and this artwork is also off, so there is no electricity wastage. So the TV has a motion sensor detector, and when there is no one in the room or there is no light, even the artwork is off, so there is a energy saving. As you can see, if there is a light now, and so and the motion detectors detect that, and see, now the artwork is on. I hope you like this video. So my Samsung frame TV 2022 model 85 inches is all set up now. As you can see, this is a beautiful artwork and the TV is off. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.